Hey everyone, it's Dr. Shirley. I'm here at my wellness coach's home. This is Trisa. Trisa,
Hi.
Okay, so because food is medicine, Trisa and I like to collaborate on recipes for snacks and for meals for ourselves and our patients. And so today we worked on this one recipe. It's a vegetable hummus, and Trisa's going to tell us what we put in it.
We put in organic cilantro, organic kale, 2 avocados, a half a cup of olive oil, 3 garlic cloves, iodized salt, sea salt, black pepper, 1 can of garbanzo beans, and the juice of 1 lemon. And we'll post the link in below.
Okay, so I have to point out right away that you cannot taste the kale or the cilantro or the garlic very much at all. It's a very, very, very light flavor. It just tastes amazing. This is hummus. It's got tons of protein in it because it's beans. And this is great to balance out the carbs from the crackers. And these crackers are gluten-free because they're made out of almond flour. And that's important because it's gluten-free and is good for people with food sensitivities. All right, so kale has a lot of minerals. Minerals are important because we need them to do everything. We need them to make hormones, to make neurotransmitters, to have our bones and our nerves running, our heart needs to beat, our liver needs to detox. We need minerals just to live. Okay, so why do we need minerals? Why don't we have enough minerals to begin with? It's because we are honestly peeing them all out. We are over caffeinated, we drink too much coffee and too much like Red Bull and other energy drinks, and those are diuretics and we just lose a lot of it along with our minerals, so that's super important. All right, I also like how vitamin A and vitamin A and K are in kale. These are fat soluble vitamins and we need them because A is great for the immune system and the skin, and K is great for the bones. Now these are fat soluble vitamins along with vitamins D and E, and we need that olive oil base in our recipe for us to absorb those fat soluble vitamins. Cilantro is great for detox, so that's great in addition to the flavor that it adds. So we're just here to remind everyone that food is medicine, and you want to remember that it's important to watch what you're putting in your body.
Thank you. See you next time.